In this first lesson in my algebra and trigonometry playlist, I'm going to be teaching you about natural numbers and whole numbers. So this is the first video. I'm going to be creating more videos, getting more difficult, and we're going to go through this journey together, learning algebra and trigonometry from the basics to the more complex. So let's start with this video. The first lesson is natural numbers versus whole numbers. So what are natural numbers? So natural numbers are essentially counting numbers, the numbers that we use to count things, like for instance, like we see here, apples. So you can see here we have 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples. So natural numbers are numbers that we came up with to be able to count whole things. So things that are not in parts or in fractions or split, things that we consider to be whole. So it could be a banana, it could be 1 house, 1 car. So those are the natural numbers, and they start from 1, 2, 3, and so on. So this right here and so on to infinity is the natural numbers. So some books may include 0, but typically natural numbers start from 1, 2, 3, and so on. Now the difference between natural numbers and whole numbers, that whole numbers are going to include 0. So we came up with 0 because if you have nothing in the basket, like we see here, then we would need to describe what that is. So we came up with that number as 0. So whole numbers are essentially natural numbers but include 0. So you could put maybe a whole thing here showing whole numbers. Okay, let me make that a little bit better. So right here, sorry it's a bit sloppy, but yeah, so these would be called whole numbers. So they include 0, 1, 2, 3. And it makes sense because whole means it's one thing. It's not a portion. It's not a fraction. It's not split. So we consider it to be a whole number. And then, of course, the natural numbers, again, they start from 1, 2, 3, and so on. And whole numbers include 0 and all the natural numbers. So that's it for the first lesson. So this is our first lesson in algebra and trigonometry. Make sure to subscribe. I will be posting more videos every week. So make sure you're updated if you're interested, and like the video and leave a comment.